Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to tell you about Blue Heaven Cosmetics, and in today's video I'll be reviewing their 4 lipstick and 4 eyeliners and 1 kajal.
Pens too, but I just gave the nail pens to to my sister, and because she loves nail paint and I don't love nail paints because I don't have nails. So yes.
So yes, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so first are these 4 lipsticks, and these lipsticks are worth rupees 65 each, and 65 के हिसाब से लिपस्टिक्स मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही हैं, मतलब अभी सही प्राइस सुन के ऑब्वियसली किसको अच्छी नहीं लगेंगी. So yes, these 4 lipstick, let me tell you the shades. First is a 04 Royal Red, and I'll be swatching it for you too. It says कि shake before using, ताकि वो product नीचे ना रह जाए सारा. So yes, I think I have used this lipstick in my last video too. तो अगर आपको, oh my god, see this lipstick, the color of this lipstick, it's like, my god, I just love it. So this shade was 04 Royal Red. Next we have is a 01 Blush Red, and shake before use, and this, what a shade, lovely. You can see the shade and the swatch must be going on right here, so you can see that too. Next shade is a coffee brown 1212, and I have also used this shade in the Blue Heaven Cosmetics video only that I made for Blue Heaven Cosmetics. You can just go on my Instagram, and on my reel section there would be a video for Blue Heaven Cosmetics specifically. I have used this shade, and you can just see the swatch over here too. And this is a hand swatch. So my god, these lipsticks are not properly creamy and not properly matte. They are super hydrating for lips because I have used them, and I think they are not कि वो फैलने वाली, they are transfer proof, ये फैल सकती हैं. So yes, 65 rupees में कोई बात नहीं. Next is 08 Lavender Pink. Okay. My god, this can be used as a blush because this is particularly a very nude shade, and I just cannot use this shade on my lips. मेरे मतलब मुंह ही उड़ा देगा. I just don't like इतना nude shade. So yes, these are the hand swatches you can see on my hand, and I really love the quality of these lipsticks, and according to the price they are too good. Like 65 rupees में इतनी अच्छी lipstick मिल रही है, तो you can just go for it. I just really love the quality of these lipsticks, and I would highly recommend you to get yourself these lipsticks if you are looking for a budget friendly lipsticks. So next is their eyeliners. So they have sent me over 4 eyeliners. One is the brown, one is black, one is blue, and another is green. The blue and black one I have used in my tutorials. You can see that on my shorts video. And the green and brown, I'll swatch it for you. I'll swatch all the 4 for you. So yes. So first I'm gonna swatch is the black Get Bold eyeliner, waterproof, and I'll do the swatches here. This is just the one swatch. This was the swatch of black, and it is super shiny. The next swatch is I'm going to do of brown. I'll just take one and do it here. You can see properly. The next swatch I am going to do is for the green eyeliner. Oh my god, the green is so much pigmented. See how pigmented is this green is. Oh my god, love it. And the blue, my favorite. I told you these eyeliners are super duper good. Also, the price of these eyeliners are rupees 55 individually, and I really love the quality of these eyeliner, and I would highly recommend you if you're going to look for a budget friendly eyeliner and eyeliner under 100, under 60 rupees. This is going to be a perfect match. So the another product that Blue Heaven has sent to me is their kajal, and this is for rupees 65 I guess. And again, कोई कहने ही नहीं यार, मतलब इतने अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं इसके इतने कम प्राइस में, कोई कैसे इसे नहीं लेगा, कोई कैसे नहीं लेगा. Also I have used this liner on my video. I'll be putting the link over here, and you can just go and watch properly, because I have made a video and I tried the cheapest product, and these were the products in it, and I have tried all of them and these two. So yes, you can just go and watch the video over here. And honestly, I really like the Blue Heaven cosmetic products. Or of course, इनकी quality थोड़ी सी कम है as comparative to drugstore products from Maybelline, Lakme and everyone, and products and brands like these. So of course, जब आपको पैसे कम मिल रहे हैं तो थोड़ी सी क्वालिटी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ है, बट देयर इज़ मतलब ऐसा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं है कि आपको बिल्कुल ही अलग प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है. आपको एक 55 रुपीज़ में अगर आपको ऐसा लाइनर मिल रहा है तो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू गो फॉर इट. एंड अगर 65 रुपीज़ में आपको ऐसी लिपस्टिक मिल रही है विद अ ब्रांड नेम, क्योंकि ब्लू हेवन कॉस्मेटिक्स एक इंडियन ब्रांड है और बहुत पहले से है, तो यू शुड डेफिनेटली बाय इट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ बजट फ्रेंडली makeup. Yes, and I would just say the finish of these products are completely flawless. They look really good on your lips and on your eyes as well, and they are, मैं इनको ट्रांसफर प्रूफ ऊपर, मैं इनको ये तो नहीं कहूँगी कि ये नॉन ट्रांसफर प्रूफ हैं, दे आर ट्रांसफर प्रूफ, बट 65 रुपीज़, 65 मतलब 100 का भी कुछ नहीं आता यार आजकल मेकअप में. सो येस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग सो मच लव ऑन माई चैनल, एंड थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय, सी यू टिल नेक्स्ट वीडियो.